Happy to be here. Some very close friends of mine, Jitesh Pillai, Anuradha from Filmfare. They're having this beautiful award tonight and they wanted me to be here for it. So thank you so much for inviting me here.
So we've been on the peak of the endorsement you've been doing with number of musical shows, musical awards, musical functions, sir. So what's next?
What next? Yeah, making music, lots and lots of it.
Only music?
Only music.
There's something hidden also if you would like to share with us.
Nothing is hidden. I'm working on my next single at the moment. After Hanuman Chalisa, which happened 6 months back. Now the new single is going to happen soon. I'm working on an album also. And a few film projects for this year.
Only the Holi wishes for the new year. Any plans to have Holi?
आप सबको होली की शुभकामनाएं. Lots of love. Shekhar Afjan. Thank you.
So hope you're wearing the let's
This is Nachiket Barve. I feel I'm ready for a rock show right now. But because it's Style and Glamour Awards, I thought I could experiment. And yeah, that's
I think it's important that we style and glamorous.
I think I love dressing up. So I don't know if it's important per se, like outside. But I really like it and I'm from the fashion background. So I love trying new things and I like dressing up and I like, doing all this. So for me, it's very important. I just feel good.
But personally, what would you rather prefer having? Or pick one out of two would be glamorous or stylish? What would you prefer?
Isn't it the same thing? Like when you're stylish, you're also glamorous. I think for me, it's just like...
The way that change the criteria, it would be comfortable or be
trendy. Just, I don't know, I would definitely prefer to look good over being comfortable. I would prefer this if I can look good and comfortable at the same time, but if I have to really choose, then yes, looking good.
Like what's next? Your fans are eagerly waiting to come Manashri.
Yeah, abhi to kuch nahi hai. We are talking, like I have 2 films with the same production house. That is going to happen somewhere mid this year or end this year. Apart from that, a couple of projects are like in talks, but nothing's like finalized.
Any Holi plans?
I think I will be at the Times Holi party. Okay, I want to wish all you guys a very happy Holi.
Again, as always, looking very beautiful. What are you wearing tonight?
Tonight I'm wearing Gauri and Nenika, and I think if anybody in our country defines glamour, it's them. So it was just appropriate that I would wear them.
But personally, how important for a woman or a girl to be stylish or fashionable or glamorous?
I think, firstly, we as women, we love fashion. We love looking good. That is celebrating everything woman. So glamour, fashion, style is very subjective. It's not specific. I don't follow any trends. I think if you feel beautiful, you are beautiful. If you like the way you're looking, that's all that matters.
But do you think glamorous or stylish?
एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस राइट नाउ मुझे कंगना का स्टाइल काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. आई थिंक वो शी इज़ वेरी डेयरिंग और आई थिंक इट हैज़ अ लॉट टू डू विथ हर एटीट्यूड. शी इज़ वेरी बिंदास कि मैं ये पहन रही हूँ तो मैं पहन रही हूँ, अभी जो कहना है बोल दो, यू नो. एंड अमंग द एक्टर्स हुज स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट आई एम लाइकिंग, among the actors, I think there's just one really stylish man who's always been stylish is Jackie Shroff. And in the younger generation, I would have to say they have a long way to go before they touch that.
But if you get a chance to pick one out of two, what would you be, glamorous or being stylish? What would you personally prefer?
I prefer being beautiful in my own eyes. As far as I think as an actress, I would definitely pick that. That's a tongue twister. As an actress, I would definitely pick glamour because you always want to be just the most glamorous.
But like, when you explore yourself so very well, been acting or been production now, so what are the ventured projects for your production now?
Listen, just because I'm into production and I'm into acting doesn't mean I can't be glamorous. I can do it all.
What are Holi plans?
Holi plans? Well, Holi is right after my birthday, so first I'm going to celebrate my birthday and then I'll see. Thank you.
Excited for the evening tonight?
Yeah, very much.
How important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
It's very important. Style and glamour matter for everyone, not even for the stars, the regular person. The style matters. girls are crazy about style. So it's always better. Yeah.
Personally, आपको क्या satisfy करता है? Being stylish or being glamorous at the end?
I think both. You need both. So when you have a style, you become glamorous. So it depends.
But your fans always been eagerly waiting, saying that next we want to next. How do you want to do this? And with acting or being whatever whether it's
Next is my NSN is coming, my film with Anushka Sharma. I'm really excited about that, and I'm playing a totally different character. The last I played the decent and very sober guy, and here I'm playing very aggressive and very arrogant. So I'm pretty excited about that, and hope and thanks to the audience जिन्होंने हमारा ट्रेलर बहुत पसंद किया, and मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि वो लोग फिल्म भी देखेंगे और फिल्म भी उनको पसंद आएगी.
So what are your Holi plans this year? Any Holi plans?
होली मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ सेलिब्रेट करना चाह रहा हूँ. वैसे तो मैं बिजी बहुत प्रमोशंस में हूँ, लेकिन इसके अलावा फ्रेंड्स के साथ छोटी एक पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज की है, उनके साथ एंजॉय करूँगा. हाय, आई एम दर्शन कुमार. विश यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी होली.
आज मैं नहा के आया हूँ इसलिए. व्हाट एम आई वेयरिंग? परफ्यूम वाइज और क्लोथ्स वाइज? पॉल स्मिथ, अलेक्जेंडर मैक्वीन शो ऑफ कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा, और जीन्स डोल्चे गबाना. सब हटे गए. देखो भाई, स्टाइल इज आई थिंक जितना आप कुछ अलग करो, डिफरेंट करो, वही स्टाइल बन जाता है. समटाइम्स वेयरिंग ऑफ क्लोथ्स एंड बैड क्लोथ्स ऑल्सो बिकम्स अ स्टाइल बाय इटसेल्फ, और लोग रिडिक्यूल करते हैं और हंसते हैं. बट आई फील कपड़े अगर आप पहनते हो तो वेयर इट फॉर योर सेल्फ. इफ यू फील गुड, यू फील हैप्पी, आई थिंक इट्स द बेस्ट.
क्या ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है सर? फील कंफर्टेबल और फील ट्रेंडी?
सॉरी?
सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी क्या होता है?
वेल जैसे है ना, बोलते हैं फैशन किल वुमेन. लॉट ऑफ वुमेन कभी कभी ठंड में मर जाते हैं बिकॉज दे वांट टू वेयर वेरी लिटिल क्लोथ्स. सो आई थिंक इट शुड बी अ मिक्स ऑफ बोथ. आई थिंक इट्स बेटर टू बी ट्रेंडी. कंफर्टेबल यू कैन बी एट होम, बट इफ यू गो आउट यू शुड बी ट्रेंडी.
सर बट लेकिन जो आपने बेंचमार्क सेट किया सर बॉलीवुड में, वो सब्जी सर फ्रॉम अपना सपना मनी.
वो सब्जी.
बट इवन नाउ पीपल वो सब्जी. सो व्हाट्स लाइक दैट?
एंड आखिरी पास्ता.
लेकिन ऐसा कुछ और देखने मिलेगा सर आपसे?
बहुत जल्दी, इसलिए मैंने दाढ़ी रखी है. यू सी मी इन अ वेरी क्रूअल रोल.
Sir, tell us something about it, please.
About the role? नहीं, I am under sworn contract.
So, but something, not the movie.
My character. I'll come back after the interval में आता हूँ.
होली के plans क्या?
होली के plans तो हमेशा कलरफुल ही रहते हैं, and hopefully this year I should be going to Goa to play Holi.
So, wishes.
Happy Holi आप सबको from Chunky Pandey. May your life be as colorful as you play Holi this year.
कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है एक इंडिविजुअल के लिए ग्लैमरस दिखना या स्टाइलिश दिखना या फिर फैशनेबल दिखना?
आई थिंक इम्पोर्टेंट तो बस आपका कॉन्फिडेंस है. जितना आप कौन से कपड़े में आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहे हो, कितने आप नेचुरली फिट इन कर रहे हो. इट्स नॉट अबाउट फैशन, इट्स जस्ट अबाउट कॉन्फिडेंस. तो आई थिंक अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो तो आप कोई भी कपड़े पे अच्छे लगते हो.
Any Holi plans do you have, Karthik?
Any what?
Holi plans?
होली प्लान्स. होली प्लान्स अभी तक तो नहीं बनाए, लेकिन आई एम श्योरली गोना प्ले होली दिस टाइम, एंड आई थिंक सेट पे ही होने वाला है प्यार का पंचनामा के होली. अ वेरी हैप्पी होली टू ऑल ऑफ यू, ऑल द फैंस है, एंड सबको रंग लगाइए, खुद को भी रंग लगाइए, और खूब जम के होली के लिए. थैंक यू.